My name is Saoirse Thompson. Today we have Toothless dragon eggs called Toothless tails. It might be the same or it might be different. Alright, let's get started opening. Alright, this. Hold on, guys. I found out everybody have to help me for a second. Oh, biscuits. I cracked it open while I was trying to get this off. Wait, what? It's not fun. I don't know what this guy is. Well, this is Toothless with, I love the details of this. It's like a sheep or biking. He's holding it and he's like... Alright, let's open this one here. Oh, it's right there. I might have to... So just tell my car to get out of this. That was easy. That was easy. Why did I put it on the blanket? I'm a Viking. I love these. I love the details. It's just perfect. This one has a Viking hat on. It's like a Viking hat on. It's like this one's like because they got a Viking sheep. So he's kind of funny. I don't know why they got the same Toothless guys. I thought there was going to be a life in this. So, there must be a bunch of Toothlesses dressed up differently. We'll find out. So, bye.